Our chapter is Some Natural Phenomena. The sparks that the Greeks knew about. See, approximately from 600 BC itself, Greeks were already aware of electric charges. How? Because when they rubbed amber is just a type of resin or a synthetic fiber. Okay, when they rub amber and fur together, the amber can attract light objects like hair. Similarly, woolen cloths or polyester cloths also attract hair and can produce some spark or some sound when they are taken off from our body. This is because of electric charges. Benjamin Franklin in 1752, he proved lightning and spark produced from the cloths are all same things. Electric charges. See, every atom consists of subatomic particles such as electrons, protons and neutrons. Electrons, the negatively charged particles in an atom, while protons are positively charged particles in an atom. When an object is said to be electrically neutral, then it will be the number of protons is equal to number of electrons. When an object is said to be a charged object, there will be an imbalance of electrons and protons in it. Charging by rubbing. When we rub two objects with each other, they get charged due to transfer of electrons between them. For example, if we rub a rubber balloon with animal fur, the balloon is made up of rubber, attracts the electrons from the animal fur. This results in rubber having an excess of electrons, while fur having a shortage of electrons. In the same way, if we rub a plastic comb with dry hair, the comb occurs some charges. Types of charges and their interaction. First, what is meant by charge? An electric energy produced on a body, that is charge. So, charged objects, that is shortage or excess of electrons. Objects having an excess of electrons are referred to as negatively charged, while an object having a shortage of electrons are called positively charged. For example, we can take a glass rod which is rubbed with silk cloth, it becomes positively charged, while the silk cloth becomes negatively charged. These charged objects are now capable of attracting other charged and uncharged objects. Interaction between charges. Objects having the same kind of charges repel each other. That is, positive or negative repel each other. Like charges repel each other. Objects with different kinds of charges attract each other. That is, plus positive and negative opposite charges attract each other. Electrostatic force. See, first we have to know what's meant by electrostatic force. The force of attraction or repulsion experienced by any charged object, that is known as electrostatic force. This electrostatic force is also known as Coulomb force or Coulomb interaction. So it is the attractive or repulsive force between any two electrically charged objects. We already know like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. Coulomb's law is used to calculate the strength of the force between two charges. Answer the following questions. Define electrostatic force. What is a charge? Name the scientist who showed that lightning and the spark from our clothes are essentially same phenomenon. Why does the tiny bits of paper get attracted towards the comb rubbed against your dry hair? Do the following activity and record your observations. Refer chapter 15, activity 15.1, page number 185 and activity 15.2, page number 185.